Have you ever wondered if your body is trying to send you a message? Maybe you have been feeling a little off lately, more tired than usual, struggling to focus, or just not feeling like yourself. What if I told you that these subtle signals could be your body's way of begging for a detox? In today's world, we're surrounded by toxins, pollution in the air, chemicals in our food, stress from our busy lives, and even hidden ingredients in everyday products. It's no wonder our bodies sometimes struggle to keep up. But here is the good news. Your body is incredibly smart. It knows how to communicate when something isn't right. The trick is learning how to listen. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, energized, and clear-headed. Imagine your skin glowing, your digestion running smoothly, and your mood lifted. That's what happens when your body is in balance. But when toxins build up, everything can start to feel sluggish. The problem is, most people ignore the early warning signs. They chalk up their symptoms to aging, stress, or just a busy lifestyle. But what if those symptoms are actually your body's way of waving a red flag, asking for help? Today, we're diving deep into the top 7 signs your body is begging for a detox. These aren't just random symptoms, they're your body's SOS signals, and recognizing them could be the first step toward reclaiming your health. Whether you're a senior looking to maintain your independence, a busy professional juggling work and family, or someone who just wants to feel their best, this video is for you. We will break down each sign, explain why it happens, and give you practical tips to start your detox journey today. But before we jump in, let's set the stage. Detox isn't about starving yourself, drinking only juice, or following extreme diets. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to cleanse and heal. Your liver, kidneys, skin, lungs, and digestive system are all working around the clock to filter out toxins. Sometimes, though, they need a little extra help. That's where a gentle, science-backed detox comes in. So, what are these 7 signs, and how can you tell if your body is crying out for a reset? Let's start with one of the most common and most overlooked signals: constant fatigue. If you find yourself dragging through the day, relying on caffeine just to function, or feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep, your body might be overloaded with toxins. When your detox organs are working overtime, energy levels plummet. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. No wonder you're tired. But fatigue isn't the only clue. Another major sign is brain fog. Have you noticed it's harder to concentrate, remember things, or stay focused on tasks? Maybe you're forgetting names, misplacing your keys, or struggling to finish sentences. This mental cloudiness can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you pride yourself on being sharp and alert. The truth is, toxins can interfere with neurotransmitters in your brain, making it harder to think clearly. If you have been blaming your memory lapses on age or stress, it might be time to consider a detox. Let's talk about digestion. Are you dealing with bloating, constipation, or irregular bowel movements? Maybe you feel uncomfortable after meals, or you're constantly reaching for antacids. Your gut is one of the main pathways for eliminating toxins, so when it's not working properly, waste can build up. This can lead to a vicious cycle. The more toxins in your system, the worse your digestion becomes. If you're experiencing these issues, your body could be begging for a reset. Now, let's shift gears and talk about your skin. Did you know your skin is your largest detox organ? If you're breaking out, dealing with rashes, or noticing dullness and dryness, it could be a sign that toxins are trying to escape through your pores. Many people spend a fortune on creams and treatments, but the real solution might be supporting your body from the inside out. When your detox pathways are clear, your skin reflects that health and vitality. Mood swings and irritability are another red flag. If you find yourself snapping at loved ones, feeling anxious for no reason, or struggling with low moods, toxins could be affecting your hormones and brain chemistry. It's easy to blame stress or life circumstances, but sometimes the root cause is deeper. Supporting your body's detox systems can help stabilize your mood and bring back your emotional balance. Let's not forget about aches and pains. Do you wake up stiff, sore, or achy, even if you haven't exercised? Chronic inflammation is often linked to toxin buildup. When your body is overloaded, your immune system goes into overdrive, leading to pain and discomfort. If you're reaching for painkillers more often than you'd like, it might be time to look at what's happening inside your body. Finally, pay attention to your cravings. Are you constantly reaching for sugar, caffeine, or processed foods? Do you feel like you can't get through the day without a sweet treat or an extra cup of coffee? These cravings can be your body's way of coping with toxin overload. When your system is out of balance, it craves quick fixes, but those only make the problem worse. As we explore each of these signs in detail, I'll show you how to spot them, what they really mean, and most importantly, what you can do about them. You don't have to accept feeling tired, foggy, or uncomfortable as your new normal. Your body is resilient, and with the right support, you can feel better than you ever thought possible. So, are you ready to listen to what your body is telling you? Let's dive into the first sign and start your journey toward a cleaner, healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, every symptom is a message. The sooner you pay attention, the sooner you can take action and transform your health from the inside out. Let's start by taking a closer look at the first sign your body is begging for a detox: constant fatigue. Now, it's easy to dismiss tiredness as just a part of modern life. After all, who isn't busy these days? But there's a difference between feeling a little sleepy after a long day and experiencing a deep, unshakable exhaustion that lingers no matter how much you rest. If you wake up in the morning already feeling drained, or if you hit a wall in the afternoon that no amount of coffee can fix, your body could be waving a big red flag. This isn't just about being overworked or not getting enough sleep. When toxins build up in your system, your organs, especially your liver, have to work overtime to process and eliminate them. This extra workload can sap your energy reserves, leaving you feeling perpetually run down. Think of your body like a car. If you never change the oil or clean the filters, eventually the engine starts to sputter. It doesn't matter how much fuel you put in, if the system is clogged, performance suffers. The same goes for your body. When your detox pathways are blocked or overwhelmed, your cells can't produce energy efficiently. You might notice that even simple tasks feel like a struggle. Maybe you used to breeze through your daily routine, but now everything feels like a chore. This kind of fatigue isn't just physical, it can also affect your motivation and outlook on life. You might find yourself losing interest in activities you once enjoyed, or feeling too tired to spend time with friends and family. Contrast this with how you feel after a proper detox. Many people report a surge of energy, clearer thinking, and a renewed zest for life. It's not magic, it's your body finally getting the support it needs to function at its best. If you're constantly tired, don't just reach for another cup of coffee or an energy drink. Instead, ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me? Are there hidden toxins slowing me down? The answer might surprise you. Now, let's transition to the second sign, brain fog. This is another symptom that's often brushed aside or blamed on aging, stress, or lack of sleep. But brain fog is more than just occasional forgetfulness. It's a persistent feeling of mental cloudiness, where your thoughts feel slow and fuzzy. You might struggle to remember names, lose your train of thought mid-sentence, or find it hard to focus on tasks that used to be easy. For some people, brain fog can be so severe that it affects their work, relationships, and overall quality of life. What causes this mental hajj? Toxins can interfere with the delicate balance of chemicals in your brain, disrupting neurotransmitters that control memory, focus, and mood. When your body is overloaded, it diverts resources away from cognitive function to deal with the immediate threat. The result? You feel mentally sluggish, irritable, and disconnected. It's like trying to watch a high-definition movie on a fuzzy old TV. The picture just isn't clear. But here is the good news. Clearing out toxins can have a dramatic effect on your mental clarity. Many people are amazed at how much sharper and more focused they feel after a gentle detox. Suddenly, words come easily, ideas flow, and tasks that once felt overwhelming become manageable again. If you have been blaming your brain for one getting older, consider that your body might just need a reset. Let's move on to the third sign, digestive issues. Your gut is one of the main highways for eliminating toxins, so when it's not working properly, waste can build up and cause all sorts of problems. Maybe you're dealing with bloating, gas, constipation, or irregular bowel movements. Perhaps you feel uncomfortable after meals, or you're constantly reaching for antacids to soothe heartburn. These symptoms aren't just inconvenient, they're your body's way of telling you that something is off. When toxins accumulate, they can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and poor digestion. This can create a vicious cycle. The more toxins in your system, the worse your digestion becomes, and the harder it is for your body to get rid of waste. If you're experiencing these issues, it's a clear sign that your body could benefit from a detox. Supporting your gut health with fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and plenty of water can help restore balance and get things moving again. Now, let's talk about the fourth sign, skin problems. Your skin is your largest organ, and it plays a crucial role in detoxification. When your internal detox systems are overwhelmed, your body may try to push toxins out through your skin. This can show up as acne, rashes, dryness, or a dull complexion. You might notice more breakouts than usual, or find that your skin looks tired and lifeless no matter how much you moisturize. Many people spend a fortune on skincare products, hoping to fix these issues from the outside. But the real solution often starts from within. When you support your body's natural detox processes, your skin can clear up and regain its healthy glow. If you are struggling with persistent skin problems, don't just cover them up, listen to what your body is trying to tell you. As we continue, remember that these signs are your body's way of asking for help. Ignoring them won't make them go away. In fact, they may get worse over time. But by paying attention and taking action, you can support your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. In the next section, we will dive deeper into the remaining signs and explore practical steps you can take to start your detox journey today. Let's continue by exploring the fifth sign your body is begging for a detox, mood swings and irritability. Emotional ups and downs are a normal part of life, but if you find yourself feeling unusually anxious, short-tempered, or down for no clear reason, it could be more than just stress or a bad day. Toxins can have a profound effect on your mood and mental health. When your body is overloaded, it can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones and neurotransmitters that regulate how you feel. You might notice that you're more easily frustrated, less patient with loved ones, or prone to sudden bursts of anger or sadness. These emotional swings can be confusing and even isolating, especially if you can't pinpoint a specific cause. Contrast this with how you feel when your body is in balance. Emotional resilience, a sense of calm, and a more positive outlook are all signs that your detox systems are working well. When toxins are cleared out, your brain and body can communicate more effectively, leading to greater emotional stability. If you have been feeling on edge or out of sorts, it's worth considering whether your body is trying to tell you something deeper. Now, let's transition to the sixth sign, unexplained aches and pains. Do you wake up feeling stiff, sore, or achy, even if you haven't done anything strenuous? Maybe you experience joint pain, muscle soreness, or headaches that seem to come out of nowhere. Chronic inflammation is often at the root of these symptoms, and toxin buildup can be a major trigger. When your body is overloaded, your immune system goes into overdrive, leading to inflammation and discomfort. This can make everyday activities feel more challenging and reduce your overall quality of life.